Jai Hind everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Tier 2 preparation strategy for IB ACIO. First of all, congratulations everyone for clearing the stage 1, which was the one of the toughest part in this stage. We will be discussing about how to prepare for ACIO to essay as well as Prezi, because these are the hurdle for every student who is preparing for ACIO. Comprehension is not a big deal. You can already tackle it as you have done in SSC or CGL, CDS, these kind of things, right? So we are going to discuss about IBSIO descriptive paper strategy today, right? So first of all, let us go at the background of what is IBSIO meant for. If we see, IBSIO is kind of hybrid exam. Why I'm calling this hybrid exam? Because if you see the tier 1 stage, you will see like there are 4 subjects here, right, which are common to SSC. This is English, and when you will see the general studies, it is somewhat related to CAPF or CDS general studies, right? You all have given the exam this time, and you know about how was the current affair part and GS part, which was similarly to the UPSC standard, because there were questions in descriptive form in many sentences, right? But in SSC form there are one liners. So you all agree, I think, that IBSIU is an hybrid examination, right? So when we will see the tier 2, in tier 2 there is a descriptive paper, and if we compare it with CAPF, CAPF also consists of descriptive paper. It is in second paper of CAPF. In CAPF, the first paper is of the OMR test, which is conducted for 2 hours, and the second paper is a descriptive test, which is conducted for 3 hours on the same day, right? So this is one of the small part of the descriptive paper which we can see for IBACIU, as it only consists of one essay, one English comprehension, as well as one Prezi, right? There are around 50 marks for this, in which 30 marks is for essay and 10 marks for English comprehension and 10 marks for Prezi. So when we will check the previous year paper of IBACIU, we will find that the question 1 was considering like there are 5 essays which were given, and you have to write only one essay, as it is mentioned any one, and there is also a word limit of 400 words. Gentlemen, like if we exceed this limit, you will be like, जो हम कहते हैं दंड देना, मार्क्स आपके डिडक्ट कर लिए जाएंगे अगर आप ये 400 वर्ड्स हैं इसकी, जो अगर आप वर्ड लिमिट एक्सीड कर दो, राइट? अगर हम यहाँ पे जो इसमें क्वेश्चंस थे, इस क्वेश्चंस पे हम बाद में आएंगे, ठीक है, इसका एनालिसिस भी थोड़ी देर में करेंगे. बट इफ वी मूव फॉरवर्ड, वी चेक दिस प्रेसी. प्रेसी इज नथिंग लाइक द होल पैराग्राफ इज गिवन एंड यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अ स्मॉल पैराग्राफ. इस पूरे पैराग्राफ की आपको जिस्ट बतानी होती है प्रेसी के अंदर. इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में क्या बात की गई है, you have to write in a very crisp form, right? And similarly in comprehension, though, it is very easy. You have to find the answers which are given in this paragraph, right? So this is the process. The most important thing is like the 30 marks which is given to only essay writing. And when we will see the essay topics, right, two of them, when we will bifurcate all the topics, like there are 5 topics, we will discuss one by one each and every one, right? And we will try to find out what is being asked, like what category is being asked in this question. If we will see, like national security is asked twice, right? No matter how it is linked with any other subject, like growth with equity is good news for national security, or mass communication and national security. The main keyword which we are getting here is national security. So we will get our one stream of national security as one theme on which we have to prepare. Like on any stage, it can be asked to you, neither it in tier 2, it can also ask to you in the interview part, because internal security to IBACIU is very important, right? तो आपको ये जो इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी के ऊपर है टॉपिक, ये प्रिपेयर करना ही पड़ेगा, चाहे अभी आए चाहे आपसे इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाए, पर पूछा ज़रूर जाएगा, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको यहाँ पे एक टॉपिक मिल गया इससे, which is national security or internal security, right? When you will go to YouTube, you will find a lot many like playlist of internal securities, and you will also find some notes of internal security, right? From which you can prepare yourself for this topic, right? Because you can see the importance of national security, and believe me, you this time also national security will be coming in your essay, right? Second, when we move forward, right? Second is what 7 decades of freedom have taught us. हमने आज़ादी का 75वां साल मनाया इस साल, right? But like the previous year which we have celebrated, and it was this descriptive paper was conducted in 2021, right? And we have like given this topic about what 7 decades of freedom have taught us, right? So what we have to do in this, we have to cover all the things since the independence till the time which they have given the part the test at that time, right? Whatever big happenings which happened in our country, we have to make it a very crisp form in paragraph wise historical background, the achievements which was occurred in the LPG era, the 10th level to the top 5th level in the form of GDP growth, right? So we have to cover all those things in this essay. The third is technology in a global village, right? So in this, it will be like change to the artificial intelligence if this topic, like if this or similar topic comes this time. So it will be converted as the AI technology, in which you will be talking about quantum computing, AI technology, right? And the 5G and the 6G rollout, which is about to come, right? After this, there is limits to dissent in a democracy. So another keyword which we are getting here, it is democracy, right? So there are four keywords which you are getting in this the essay part. It is first is national security, second is technology, third is democracy, and fourth is decades of freedom. Like it is somewhere related to the India and its historical background since its independence, right? So we have to cover the things, like you have already gotten the five the keywords, and moving forward when we will see the pressy part, यार pressy part में इतना ज़्यादा difficulty नहीं होता है. The main important thing is practice. Pick up any of the CAPF previous year paper or any paper which you are getting online, right? Just practice it. Try to precise. इसका नाम ही precise writing है, which means when you will read it in one go, you will read all the passage and then try to write what you remember, not by looking it again into the passage, right? आपके पास ये PDF, आपको जो ये पेपर है ये आपको मिलेगा, फिलहाल तो मेरे पास PDF फॉर्म में है, ठीक है? आपको ये हार्ड कॉपी जब इसकी मिलेगी, you have to read it thoroughly, then mark all the important lines, and what you have to do is just recollect all the lines which you have read in your mind, देन उसका एक पैराग्राफ खुद से बनाना है अपनी लैंग्वेज के अंदर, सो दैट आप इसके एक एक पॉइंट जो इंपॉर्टेंट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं उसको आप कवर कर सको, ठीक है? और प्रेसी राइटिंग में भी देर आर नेगेटिव मार्किंग. अगर आप देखोगे एक्सीडिंग द लिमिट कुड एंटेल नेगेटिव मार्किंग, विच इज शॉर्ट इट इज गिवन द नेगेटिव मार्किंग इन द पेपर, राइट? So this is the thing which we have to note here. Like if this passage is around 300 words, then you have to convert it into the 100 words. 100 word means 1.5 paragraph. That is it, right? In which you have to add all the important lines which is covered in this paragraph. And if you will see this paragraph, it is not very much tough to convert it. Why I'm telling this? Because if you will pick up the previous year paper of CAPF, right, or any other PCS exam, you will find out like their passage is uh, the uh, the the description or the English is very tough, right? Even to translate or even to read in the press, right? But in this IBSIU, as I can see, the language of the passage is very easy to read and to write. अब हम बात करते हैं कि एसएससी वालों को और सीबीएफ वालों को, या जो यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, राइट, उनको थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्टी होगा टीयर 1 के अंदर, बिकॉज इट वाज 1 आवर एग्जाम, है ना। थोड़ा प्रेशर ज़्यादा रहता है कि आपको 1 घंटे में, क्योंकि यूपीएससी में 2 घंटे दिए जाते हैं एक पेपर करने में, बट यहाँ पे क्या है, 1 घंटा दिया जाएगा आपको टू अटेम्प्ट दी एग्जाम, राइट। सो वहाँ पे थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्टी फेस होती है यूपीएससी कैंडिडेट्स को। बट इफ़ यू विल चेक अबाउट द टीयर 2 एग्जामिनेशन एंड इंटरव्यू एग्जामिनेशन, थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी होती है एसएससी वालों को, बिकॉज दे डोंट गेट एनी एक्सपोजर ऑफ राइटिंग डिस्क्रिप्टिव एग्जाम सच एज दिस टीयर 2। अब क्योंकि सीजीएल में भी थोड़ा सा पैटर्न चेंज हुआ, जिसके चक्कर में अब जो टीयर 2 एग्जाम है उसका भी पैटर्न चेंज हुआ, राइट। बट सीएपीएफ में प्रॉपरली वहाँ पर डिस्क्रिप्टिव टेस्ट किया जाता है, राइट, और इससे 10 गुना ज़्यादा हार्ड लेवल का होता है वो पेपर, ये उसके सामने कुछ भी नहीं है, राइट। तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी जो फेस होगा, वो फेस होगा बाय एसएससी कैंडिडेट्स, राइट। पर इतना भी ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, एज यू हैव ऑलरेडी क्रैक्ड, यू आर इन टॉप 10,000 पीपल विच हैव ऑलरेडी क्रैक्ड दी IBSIO Tier 1। सो आप हार्ड वर्किंग हैं, तो अगर आप थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस और करेंगे, देन यू विल श्योरली क्रैक दिस एग्जाम ऑल्सो, राइट। यहाँ पे नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, हम पता कर लिए। अब बात आती है इंटरव्यू की। इंटरव्यू में भी थोड़ा सा एज जो मिलता है, वो मिलता है CAPF या फिर CDS एस्पिरेंट को, क्योंकि दे प्रिपेयर फॉर SSB इंटरव्यू, और इंटरव्यू विच इज़ कंडक्टेड बाय यूपीएससी इटसेल्फ फॉर CAPF, राइट। तो थोड़ा सा जो उनको एज मिलता है, ये मिलता है यूपीएससी कैंडिडेट्स को। पर यहाँ पे भी एसएससी वाले भी मात नहीं खाते, अगर वो डे टू डे लाइफ में जो हार्ड वर्क करें, राइट। तो उनके लिए, आप सभी के लिए, हमने अपना जो प्लेटफॉर्म है IBACIO, जो हमारा IB इंटरव्यू प्रेप हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म है, IBACIO की प्रिपरेशन भी हम आपके लिए करवा रहे हैं, राइट। सो दिस वाज द प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटजी विच वाज शेयर्ड फॉर यू टू प्रैक्टिस एज यू लाइक पूरी। अब अगर आपने वीडियो अभी तक देखी है, तो आपको वो 5 कीवर्ड्स मिल चुके हैं जिस पे आपको फ़िलहाल अभी प्रैक्टिस करनी है, राइट। इसके अलावा आपको प्रेसी और कॉम्प्रीहेंशन की मैंने आपको स्ट्रेटजी अभी फ़िलहाल बता दी है। एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट यार, बढ़िया से प्रिपेयर करते रहो, एंड होप कि आपका टीयर 2 भी एग्ज़ाम अच्छे से क्लियर हो। थैंक यू।